Hello student, hope you all are fine. Today we learn the lesson number 18, the earth of the ashes. Do you know what is the earth? Earth is that we live on. Earth is also our home. Earth is also called the planet. How the earth look like? Earth is look like a round ball. Earth is made up of land and water. The third part of earth is covered with water. The earth has a air all around it, which is also called the atmosphere. The small model of earth is also called globe. We find many different features on the surface of earth like plains, mountain, hill, rivers. These all are called physical features. Plains. What are plains? Do you know? Plains are that where we live. Most famous cities of India are in plains. Plains are that where we grow crops. Plains usually hot in summer and cold in winter. Most people live in the plains. Hills. The area of land is higher than the land around it is called hills. Do you see the hills? Hills are made up of rocks. Hills usually have a very fine weather all around the year. High hills are also called the mountains. Mountains are very cold. The tip of the mountains are called peak. The peak of high mountains are covered with snow. Most rivers are formed when the snow from these mountains melt. Lowland between the hills or a mountain is called valley. Often thick forest covered with a valley. When highlands is flat at the top and look like a tabletop, it forms a plateau. Plateaus also called are also known as the tableland. Rivers and lakes. Water present on the earth in many forms. It gets circulate on the earth as a rain. Rainwater is the purest water or fresh water. When snow melts on the mountains, it comes down to the plains as a river. When water falls from the greatest height, it is from waterfall. River water is not as salty. River water is also called the fresh water. River water is used for drinking, cooking, boiling. Rivers flow into sea and the oceans. Seas and oceans. Sea is the large body of water. Sea water is salty and cannot used for drinking and cooking. Oceans are largest bodies of water. Ocean water are also salty like a sea. Deserts. Everybody see the desert? Do you know what is a desert? Desert is a large area of land that are dry and covered with sand. In the desert, there is a little bit water. So there is a few plants grow like a cactus. The animal that is useful in the desert is camel. Why camel is useful in the desert? Because in the desert, camel is the animal that can stay without a water for many days. Now our earth is very beautiful. It gives us food, water, air, sunlight. So we should keep our earth clean and healthy. Thank you, students.